Photoshop. We have so many steps of removing background of a Photoshop file. Okay, so to remove the background of this image, so after bringing in, okay, so for now this is my image. So after bringing in the image, you just have to unlock the layers. So you click on it, you see that the layer is being unlocked. Okay, so we have so many steps of doing this. So one is select the file or select your image. You go to select, then you click on color range. You see this menu. Make sure the fuzziness is at 40. Then you bring it here. Then you come and click using this eyedropper. You click on the layer or the background color you want to remove. So since our background color is red, you click on the red. You see this? Click OK. See that the layer is being selected. Then you press delete on your keyboard. So you see that the background has been deleted. So your selection is still active. So what you need to do is you press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. So Ctrl D, see that the background has been removed. Okay, so this is one step. And the next step is to select your layer. Then you go to So that it is working perfectly for us. It's okay. So this is how, or this is the top 3 steps I use to remove my background in Photoshop. I have a lot of steps in removing background in Photoshop. I will show you the other steps in our next video. Thank you.